cat people, welcome to the Catlady Christmas Calendar Day 1. I'm Catlady Antigoni and today we are dyeing our hair. Well, it's been a while since the last time I dyed my hair or I have done anything with my hair. So today I decided to do something completely different, something which is not necessarily Christmassy, but I feel that I would like to have this color combo for Christmas time. So basically the idea is to do first of all a bleach, so I get rid of all the annoying dark brown roots that I have, and then to dye my hair basically two colors. First of all, some purple right here at the roots, at the freshly bleached part, and then I'm gonna continue with some magenta. For today, I'm planning to use only hair dyes from Stargazer and not from Directions like I'm usually doing, not because I have any issue with the brand, just because I found the colors that I wanted from Stargazer. Also, if you're interested about this makeup, I haven't done a video about it, but I have some pictures on my Instagram account, so you can go there. My Instagram is Catlady Antigoni. There you can find a 3-picture gallery where you can take your time, you can zoom in, you can actually figure out what have I done. Also, I will mention all the products that I have used at my Instagram description, so go there if you want to see more details. As I told you, I'm gonna start by bleaching my hair. Basically, I'm gonna use these two products. I'm sure that you know them by now. I'm talking about Blonde Me from Schwarzkopf and then the Blondor, the multi-blonde from Vela. Actually, they're a great combination, but basically these days I'm looking to replace them with some other stuff you will see in the future. First step is to take my brush. This is Tangle Teaser, very good brush. I'm gonna remove my headpiece right here and make sure that I'm gonna comb my hair in order to make my life as easy as possible. And while I'm combing my hair, let me have a disclaimer because I feel that now is very appropriate for it. So if you're under 18, do not try to bleach your hair by yourself. It might be quite a dangerous procedure for your hair, like you're not gonna die, but you're gonna end up without hair. We really don't want this. So before you do that, call your parents, inform them about what you're ready to do, and if and only if they agree, then you're ready to bleach your hair, and preferably try to ask someone who knows better than me, because as you can see, I'm experimenting at my own hair. I'm not trying to do this at anyone else's hair. Time to mix the products. So basically, I'm gonna use equal amounts from Blondor. My powder here, I'm not sure if you can see. Yes, you can see. This is the powder. So I'm thinking to use 3 spoons like this one, and I'm basically gonna put them into my mixing bowl. So I'm gonna show you. I have 1 spoon right here, 2 more to go, 2 and 3. I feel that I need quite a lot because my roots are almost 4 fingers, if you can see here. So I think that I'm gonna refill my mixing bowl, but let's start with 3 spoons and we will find out. Now I'm gonna take the Blonde Me from Schwarzkopf, and again I'm gonna use 3 spoons in order to create my mix. So 1, I'm wearing my gloves because it's very important to protect my hands, and then I'm gonna start mixing, and then the good part is around the corner. The mix is ready. It has this delightful light blue color. It's like a cloud, and I'm ready to start with the action. So the plan is to start from the front part and move backwards. So taking my little mirror here, and I'm starting. As you can see, I have finished with the main part of the bleach. Now, I would like to bleach my eyebrows, but this time I'm not gonna let the bleach for more than 5 minutes because I really want them to be a very light brown and not blonde, because to be honest, it was nice when it was about to do a makeup or stuff like that, but in general it was kind of difficult to have to make a makeup every day because my blonde brows were not good looking on me, so now I'm gonna be a little bit more careful. Other than that, I'm gonna leave the bleach around 20 minutes and then I'm gonna go and take a shower and I'm gonna come back to do the colors. Well, this is the result from the bleach, quite a nice bleach, I would say, because as you can see, it's not as much yellowish as other times, so I'm quite proud this time. Next step is kinda to separate my hair into two parts at least. Use a hair tie, a not very good one, to hold this part right here because otherwise it's gonna be super confusing. And then in this part I'm gonna start separating so I can work with hair like this. Next step is to take some new and clean gloves, and after I put my gloves on I'm gonna use some cream, but this time not only here around my face but actually here at my neck and a little bit under the neck, because I know I'm making a huge mess every time and it's so difficult to be cleaned, and today I have lessons so I don't want to become purple and then go purple and teach my lesson. So I'm applying my cream. It's a very important step all over my face, a little bit here, even under my face, and then I'm gonna continue with my neck. And now I'm ready for the action part. First color that I'm planning to use today is from Stargazer, the violet one. It's the first time that I'm using this. I don't really know what to expect. Basically, I would like to have a dark purple around my root area. This is the color. So basically, as you can see, I cannot use it from here. So I'm planning to put it here at the bowl that I was using before. Whoa, oh, that's so satisfying. Oh my god, perfect! So I have my purple color. I'm gonna take the first part of the hair. Just remember, it's very important to take as little hair as possible. Then try to comb them a little bit, okay? And then the next step is to take the brush and let the magic happen. As you can see, I have finished with the purple and I try to be equal when it comes to the left side and to the right side. I don't know if I have fully achieved this, but I'm fine, I'm not worrying, because now I'm ready to go to the pink part. Again from Stargazer, I have the color magenta and I'm about to change gloves as well, so I'm taking my hair dye. It's exactly the same bottle, which I don't really like, that's why I'm using my own bowl. Oh, look, it's such a pretty color, oh my god, it's gonna be so beautiful. So, I don't have any more. Okay, so basically I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna take a clean brush as well. This brush is from Directions. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. I need to wear gloves, but I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do. And then I'm gonna turn off the camera, I'm gonna take some gloves and I will come back. Ta-da! This is it! So right now I need 20 minutes to make sure that the color is properly absorbed, and then I'm gonna take a shower and I will come back to show you the results. Now at this point I would like to thank my friend Caroline, because she sent me first of all this hair clip and some others, but I cannot find them right now. I just found this one. It's the same, so it was white, now it's not white, but okay. And also she sent me this. So it's really amazing, because I have a top which is for hair dyeings and stuff like that, but it's super dirty, and I feel that with this I will not have to make any other shirt dirty from now on. So thank you so much. You can find her on Instagram as well. Her name is Makeup Freck. I will leave it down at the description box or here at the screen, we will see. Anyway, the thing is that I now need to wait, and then I will come back after I finish with my shower. And now, after I finish with the whole procedure, it's time for the Greek word of the day. So for today, I decided to tell you the word for purple for obvious reasons. So in Greek, we say mauve. Say with me, mauve. It's quite simple because basically it's not Greek. I think it has French origins. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write in the comments something that contains the word mauve, or actually tell me the word in your own native language. I don't know if you can see it right here, but for sure I will include a mini clip what I have in my mind, because I have this color right here and what I didn't get on my hair. Basically, I have understood the reason, and it was because I didn't bleach the whole hair area, only the roots, and the rest of my hair were blue, so magenta plus blue equals to this amazing, very deep, very dark purple, which, believe me, I loved it. It was amazing. It was a very happy surprise for me to see it. And also we have some Easter eggs like here, like this one right here, which are way pinkier, and according to my opinion they are blending amazingly into the rest of the purple hair. I think this look gonna be my Christmas look. I loved it. I really loved it. I think that purple is one of the colors that I kind of had in my mind as boring. I don't know why, but this is what I've used to think. Actually, it's not boring at all. It's awesome. Tell me down in the comments, what do you think? If you liked it, if you had similar problems or surprises with me, what do you want me to dye my hair next? Which is gonna be my next color? Do you want me to try to cut my hair here with you on YouTube? Because I was really thinking to cut my hair, and I don't know if you're actually interested to see me struggling with cutting hair. I don't know. Please write a comment down below. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. On both, my username is Catlady Antigoni. And see you tomorrow with a new video. Until then, bye bye.